All right, so we're going to get started with our genre swap trailer today. The first thing we want to do is make a new folder on our desktop here, just so we have a place to put all of our new files. So what we're going to do is hold Control on our keyboard and click. We're going to go to New Folder, and we're going to call this new folder Genre Swap. Once we have our folder made on our desktop, we're going to go to YouTube, and you are going to find your trailer that you're thinking of. So we're going to go to YouTube, type in our movie trailer. I'm going to do Toy Story for the sake of this demo. And once you find your movie trailer, what we're going to do is go back to the Schoology page, and we're going to go down in step 1 where we see this link for capwing.com. Now, once we get to Capwing here, we're going to click Get Started. And you're going to see this window here. Now, notice how in the right sort of middle section here, we can paste our image or a URL. What we're going to do is go back to our YouTube tab here, and we are going to Command C to copy that link. We're going to go back to Capwing and Command V that link. Once we have this preview window here, we don't need to worry about any of these sliders or any of this stuff. We're just going to go up to the top right where it says Export Video. Now, this might take a second. If you find that it's taking a while, go ahead and move on to step number 2 to finding your music for your trailer. And also you can experiment and sort of check out all the different sound effects. So if you're looking for some scary sounds or some comedic sounds or things like that, go ahead and check out and see what they have in their effects section as well. Now, mine doesn't seem to be taking too long. Depending on how long of a clip you're trying to download, this could take quite a few minutes. So it's important just to be patient, be thoughtful of that music that we're selecting, and see if we can find any of those different sound effects that we could add to incorporate in our video. What you could also do is go back to YouTube, and you could look and see if there are any other clips that you might want to use to sort of help use to change your story or to kind of help shape and shift that genre. The more clips you have and the more diverse shots you have, the more interesting your trailer is going to look. So just by going and looking through YouTube to see how many different clips you can find, probably the better your trailer is going to be. Okay, so once our video is done, we can go ahead and move over to this right column here where it says download file. It's going to download that file as an MP4 in the bottom left of your Chrome window. And once that is done downloading, we can just click, hold, and drag that into our new genre swap folder.